Select the correct statements. A. The length of the oxidizing flame is smallest compared to neutral or reducing flame. B. The length of the oxidizing flame is largest compared to neutral or reducing flame. C. Due to extra oxygen available, the combustion is faster, producing larger length of flame. D. Due to extra oxygen available, the combustion is faster, producing smaller length of flame.
Option A and option D are correct. Neutral flame, we used both gases in the ratio 1:1 by volume. This flame is used for welding of cast iron, mild steel, low carbon steel, aluminium. For carburizing flame, excess fuel gas is used. It is used for welding medium carbon steel, nickel, gray cast iron. 3 layers of flame are present in this carburizing flame. Excess oxygen is used in oxidizing type of flame. It is used for welding oxygen-free copper alloys, brass and zinc-based materials. Now see this question. Break this question into 2 parts. In a DC arc welding operation, the voltage arc length characteristic was obtained as 20 plus 5 L, where the arc length L was varied between 5 mm and 7 mm. The arc current was varied from 400 ampere to 500 ampere. Assuming linear power source characteristic, the open circuit voltage and the short circuit current for the welding operation are A. 45 volts, B. 95 volts, C. 750 ampere, D. 950 ampere. When voltage increases, arc length increases, and current decreases. Arc length increases and current decreases. So when we put L equal to 5, we get arc voltage equals 45 volt, and arc current equal to 500 ampere. Similarly, when we put L equal to 7, we get arc voltage equals 55 volt, and given arc current equal to 400 ampere. On solving, we get open circuit voltage equal to 95 volts, and short circuit current equal to 950 ampere. Try this question. For a gas metal arc welding using copper wire as electrode, the welding speed is 10 mm per second with the current and voltage of 150 ampere and 40 volt. The rate of the pool formation is observed to be 400 mm per second. If this specific melt energy is 10 joule per millimeter, then A. Power input is 6000 kilowatt, B. Power output is 4000 kilowatt, C. Melt energy is 4000 watt, D. Efficiency of welding is 66.67%. C and D are the correct option. Choose the correct statements regarding the TIG welding. A. Uses a non-consumable electrode. B. Uses a consumable bare electrode. C. TIG can be used to provide any gas as shield. D. It is used to produce high-quality welds with no weld spatter. A and D are the correct option. Which of the following factors improve weldability of steel? A. Low carbon content. B. High carbon content. C. Good affinity to oxygen. D. Poor affinity to oxygen. You can watch more videos of multiple select questions by clicking on the I button. Please do like and share the video if you like the content useful. High carbon steel is often tool steel and its carbon content is from 0.6 to 1.7%. Its welding properties are very poor. Try this question and write your answer in the comment section. We will discuss it in the next video.